random experiment. Now, what's the random experiment? An experiment. An experiment. Experiment is called. An experiment is called random experiment. If it satisfies the following conditions. The following conditions. First is it has more than one possible outcome. One possible outcome. Okay. And second is it is not possible. It is not possible to predict the outcome in advance. Outcome in advance. Okay. So what's a random experiment? An experiment is called random experiment if it has more than one possible outcome and it is not possible to predict the outcome in advance. For example, if we are tossing a coin, then in advance we can't say that we will get a head or a tail. That's why tossing a coin or tossing a die, these are all a random experiment. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note on this.
Done.
Okay. आज हम सिर्फ theory करेंगे. Next is outcomes and sample space. Outcome and sample space. Sample. Okay. So what's the outcome? A possible result. Possible result of a random experiment. A possible result of a random experiment is called a outcome. Okay. What is the outcome? A result of a random experiment is called its outcome. Okay. For example, we are tossing a coin. Then what are the results? Head or tail? Okay. So these are called the outcomes. Now, what is the sample space? The set of all possible outcomes. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment. Of a random experiment. Of a random experiment is called the sample space. It's called sample space associated with the experiment. The experiment. Sample space is denoted by sample space is denoted by is denoted by. Okay. So what is the sample space? The set of all possible outcomes. For example, if we are throwing a coin, then complete set. Suppose if we throw a coin, then sample space is what? All the outcomes. That means head or tail. Okay, no, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please notice.
Done.
Okay, no. Then next is E sample point. E sample point. Sorry, each element. Each element of the sample space of the sample space called is called a sample point. Called a sample point. Okay, each element of the sample space, that means head is called a sample point, tail is called a sample point. Okay, so please note on this.
Done.
Okay. Now we will try some questions. Two coins. 2 coins are tossed. Find the sample space. Okay, Mama, let's try.
Done.
Okay, Noma, what's the answer?
Heads, heads, tails, heads, heads, tails, and tails, tail.
Very good. Next, please try question number 2. Find the sample space. Find the sample space associated with the experiment. The experiment of rolling a die. Sorry, of rolling a pair of die. Pair of dice. What? Also find the number of elements. We find the number of elements of this sample space. Of this sample space. Okay, please try this one. Noma, second question is still
1 minute, sir.
okay.
Done.
Okay, you answer.
सर सैंपल स्पेस तो बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है.
Now, total
टोटल 36.
total 36. Very good. Can you tell me the first line?
1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 till 1,
Very
6.
Very good. And next one?
2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3.
Good. 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 Okay. Please start the next question.
सर थर्ड वाला कैसे होगा?
Number third, a coin is tossed which shows the head. We draw a ball from a bag consist of 3 blue and 4 white balls. Okay. So let the blue ball be represented as B1, B2, and B3. White ball W1, W2, W3, and W4. So if it shows a head, for example, this, we draw a ball from a bag. So suppose we get a B1. Edge, we get a head, we get a B2. We get a head, we get a B3. Okay. Again, we get a head, then W1, W2, W3, and W4. After this, suppose we get a tail. Coin is tossed, if it shows a head, we draw a ball. If it shows tail, we throw a die. Okay, so if we get a tail, then we will throw a die. And suppose we get a tail, we get one in die, one in the die. We get a tail, we get two in the die. Yeah? T3, T4, T5, T6. This clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do this. Then start question number 4.
सर इसमें सिर्फ हेड्स भी इंक्लूड करेंगे?
नहीं, सिर्फ हेड नहीं होगा. अगर हेड आया then we will throw a ball. So HB1.
सर लास्ट में लिखा हुआ है ना हेड्स.
A coin is tossed, if shows head, we draw a ball from.
नहीं सर सैंपल स्पेस में.
Describe the sample space of this experiment.
Yes, sir.
Suppose we get a head. Okay, तो सिर्फ हेड नहीं होगा. अगर हेड है तो क्या करना है? बॉल ड्रॉ करना है. So HP1.
Okay, sir. So fourth वाले का heads and tails ही तो होगा आंसर.
Consider an experiment in which a coin is tossed until a head comes up. Okay, so for example, we throw a coin and we get a tail. It's over. Suppose in the second one, we throw a die and we get a head. Sorry. Okay, so head के बाद क्या करें? Sorry. Let me start this again. Now, in this case, हमें क्या करना होगा? We need to throw a coin until a head comes up. So that means हमने throw किया and we get a head. This is over. अब क्या हुआ next जब हमने throw किया? Suppose we get a tail. अब क्या करेंगे?
फिर से toss करना है.
दोबारा toss करना है. ठीक है? दोबारा हमने toss किया, we get a head. Now this is over. Next क्या करेंगे? Tail आया, फिर throw किया, tail आया, फिर throw किया, head आया. और क्या करेंगे हम? Tail, फिर head आ गया, and so on. फिर क्या होगा? 4 times फिर edge and so on. ये ऐसे ही होता रहेगा. ठीक है ना?
Okay sir.
Please let
Done.
me know. Done. Okay. Start करते हैं फिर. Next topic is event. Okay. So what is the event? Any subset E of a sample space. Of a sample space is called an event. Okay, what's the event? Subset of a sample space. For example, if we throw a die and this is the sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and suppose E is an event. E is an event of getting even number. Okay, so that means E will be equal to 2, 4, and 6. Okay, Nani, this clear?
Yes sir.
So what is the even? It is a subset of a sample space. So you can see this is a sample space and this E is a subset of this one. Okay, any doubt in this?
No sir.
Okay, please note down this definition. Please let me know once this is done.
Done.
Okay, next is types of events. Types of events. Okay, so the first one is impossible and sure event. Impossible and sure event. Okay, so what's the impossible event which can never occur? For example, if we are throwing a die and we are finding the probability of getting 7, then 7 is an impossible event which can't occur. So the empty set okay, and the sample space is impossible and pure. Okay. So what is impossible event? This empty set, because this can never occur. And sure event is what? The complete sample space. For example, if we are throwing a coin and we will say that these are our events. So the 100% chances of the event which can occur is this one. Because in a coin, we will get a head or a tail. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note on this one.
Done.
Okay. Okay, so these are the types of event. First is impossible and sure event. Second is simple event. Simple event. Okay. What is a simple event? If an event E has only one sample point, has only one sample point, has only one sample point, it is called a simple event. It is called a simple event. Okay, so what is a simple event? Where we have only a single sample point, a single out. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Please note on this.
Done.
Okay. Next is compound event. It is compound event. Compound event. Okay. So what's a compound event? Which have more than one sample point, or we can say having more than one outcome. So if an event has more than one sample point, it is called compound event. Please note on this.
Done.
Next is complementary event. Next is complementary event. Okay, so what's a complementary event? For every event A, there correspond another event this A naught called the complementary event, called the complementary event to A. It is also called the event not A. Okay, so if there is an event A, then there will exist another event A naught. So for example, if you will say that A is the event of getting an even number, then A naught will be an event of getting not even, or we can say odd number. Okay, so please put on this one.
Done.
Okay, we will do the next one. Fifth Fifth is the event A or B. The event A or okay. A union B. A union B is the event. Is the event either A or B or both. So that's why event A or B is equal to A union B. Okay. So A or B means A union B. So that means the outcome will be present in A or B or in both. ये बिल्कुल सेम वैसे जैसे हम सेट्स में किया था A union B. So कैसे करते हैं यूनियन कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? We will take the common values and the remaining values in A and B. ठीक है ना? ये क्लियर है इसमें ज्यादा
टोटल लेते हैं ना यूनियन में तो
नहीं we will take example. Suppose हमारे पास A है, A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, and suppose we have D, which is 3 4 5 6. So what is A union B? This is equal to
1 2 3 4 5 6
1 2 3 4. Common values single time लेते हैं 5 6. Okay.
यस सर तो फिर से टोटली तो हुआ
हाँ टोटल हुआ बट ये कि कॉमन वैल्यू सिंगल टाइम लेना है ना इसको डबल नहीं करना है टोटल का मतलब ये नहीं कि 1 2 3 4 फिर अगेन 3 4 5 6.
ओके सर
Okay, please note down this.
डन
Okay, then we will do next. Next is the event. The event A and B. The event A and B. Okay. So A and B is given by A intersection B. Okay. If A and B are two events, if A and B are two events, then the set A intersection B denotes the event A and B. Okay, no?
यस सर
So A and B is given by this one, A intersection B. That means X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So that means here we will take the common values. Okay?
यस सर
Okay, please note on this.
डन
Next we'll do the seventh one. Seventh is the event A but not B. Okay. So A minus B is the set of all those elements which are in A which are in A but not B. Okay, so A minus B is equal to A intersection B naught. So ये क्या होता है? A but not B. That means the set of elements which are present in A but not B. We'll take example. For example, if we have the A 1, 2, 3, 4, and suppose we have B 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so A minus B क्या होगा? We will remove this 3, 4. We will get 1, 2. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note on this. Confirm.
Done.
Okay, no, good. Then we will try some questions. Okay. अब म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड एग्जॉस्टिव रह गया है, उसको फिर हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करते हैं. ठीक है, जब स्पर्श ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. Right now we will do some questions. Anuma, please complete 16.2, question number 2. Okay.
आप फिर
16.2.
से रिपीट कर दीजिए.
No, question number 2, exercise 16.2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Done.
No more would answer.
A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
B is equal to 5.
Okay, next. Third one.
C is equal to 3, 6.
Okay,
D
next.
is equal to 1, 2, 3.
Okay, next.
E is equal to 6.
Okay.
F is equal to 3, 4, 6. 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Next one. A union B कितना होगा?
सर वो नहीं किया, भूल गई. सर कर ली.
Okay.
सर जो F पार्ट है उसमें 3 भी इंक्लूड करेंगे.
F part. Let me check. F is a number not less than 3. Okay, so that means greater than 3. Just give me a number not 3 से less नहीं होना चाहिए. So 3 से less क्या होता है?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. So complete sample space में से 1 to remove कर दीजिए. कितना बचेगा? कितना रह गया फिर?
3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, find these all union, intersection, and all.
Done.
Roma, what's the answer? What is the union B?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. What is the intersection?
5.
Okay, B union C.
5.
No, B union C is not 5. Would there be a number greater a dice roll describe the following events? I'm going to find B union C. Okay. Now, we'll just say C is a multiple of 3. So
3
5
and
can
6.
3 and 6. Next, what is A intersection F?
6.
6. What is D intersection E?
5.
Good. What is A minus C?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
1.
4, 5.
Good. What is D minus C?
1, 2, 3.
Good. What is E intersection F naught?
5.
What is F naught?
1, 2.
1, 2. Very good. Then, just give me a minute. Okay. Then please try question number 6.
सो बी नॉट और बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट में फर्क होता है क्या?
Mama?
सो
B.
बी नॉट और बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
नहीं, this is the same thing.
ओके सर. सो फिफ्थ पार्ट कैसे होगा?
Okay, Mama, let me see. Question number 5 is A but not C. है ना, ये हमने किया था. A में से आप remove कर देंगे the outcomes which are present in C.
सर तो फिर ए माइनस सी हुआ ना?
A minus C. A minus C and A but not C is the same thing.
ओके सर. Done.
Done. Okay, Noma, what's the answer?
A naught is equal to B.
Just give me a minute. Okay. A naught is equal to,
B.
okay, A naught is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay.
Yes.
Next, what is B naught?
A.
B naught is A. Okay. What is A union B?
Sample space.
Okay. What is A intersection B?
5.
Okay. What is A minus C?
2. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6.
Okay. Next one. What is B union C?
So पूरा set B plus 4, 1 and 2, 3.
Okay. Next, what is B intersection C?
1, 4 and A, 2.
B intersection C. Is it not 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2?
No, sir.
Q? B intersection C. Okay. So B is what? Odd number on the first die. तो 2 die को हम थ्रो कर रहे हैं तो उसमें क्या क्या आ जाएगा ऑड नंबर ऑन द फर्स्ट का मतलब 1 1 1 2 1 3 up to 1 6 3 1 up to 3 6 5 1 up to 5 6 ठीक है getting the sum of number on the die less than equal to 5 I will show you this 6 1 okay
So but common part ही तो आएगा सर तो फिर सर common part तो 1, 4 and 3, 2 है
ये देखते हैं b क्या है इसमें हमारे पास b is 1 1 up to 1 6 then 3 1 3 6 then 5 1 5 6 ठीक है उसके बाद C क्या है आपके पास C is getting the sum of the number on the die less than equal to 5 sum
1,
should be less than
4.
no sum should be less than equal to 5 so 1 1 1 2 up to 1 4 ठीक है
तो
sum
मैंने
less
C गलत लिख लिया सर 1
आई गेस इससे पहले भी फिर आपने जहाँ C यूज किया ना आंसर आपके इनकरेक्ट है ठीक है प्लीज करेक्ट दैट
सर एक बार C बता दीजिए क्या होगा
ओके होगा C क्या होगा लेस देन इक्वल टू 5 तो एक ही हो गया नेक्स्ट 2 से स्टार्ट करते हैं 2 1 2 2 up to 2 3 similarly 3 1 3 2 makes 4 1 5 नहीं हो सकता 6 भी नहीं हो सकता so this is 3
ओके सर
okay. Numa, this one.
The last part करो.
Okay.
Done.
Done. Okay, Numa, what's the answer?
So fifth part का तो बहुत बड़ा है आंसर.
बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है. Let me see. Fifth part का 2 4 2 5 2 6 नहीं आ रहा है. Then 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6.
नहीं सर 1-5 भी है.
1 5 तो नहीं आएगा. A minus C की बात कर रहे हैं ना.
1 minute sir. Yes sir. हो गया sir fifth part.
Okay. Okay. What's the answer, Numa?
2,4 2,5 2,6
Hmm.
4,2 4,3 4,4 till 4,6 or 6,1 till 6,6.
Okay. Good. Numa, I think that this is clear. ठीक है, हम और टॉपिक्स नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि अभी आपको 3D का होमवर्क भी करना है. ठीक है. तो ये homework is exercise 16.1. 16.2 एंड 16.2 में आप सेकंड कर चुके हैं। 16.2 में और कुछ न्यू क्वेश्चन नहीं करना, जस्ट रिवाइज द थ्योरी। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम करते हैं, ठीक है। फिर बट जी
सर इसमें ये पूछना था, इसमें 8th पार्ट का आंसर क्या होगा?
A इंटरसेक्शन B नॉट इंटरसेक्शन C नॉट, है ना?
यस सर।
So that
तो
is 2
मेरा
4.
आंसर D इंटरसेक्शन C इंटरसेक्शन आ रहा है।
आंसर 2 4 2 5 2 6 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 नहीं होगा? Then 6 से
यस
लेके
सर,
6 तक।
यस सर आ
ओके
गया।
ओके ओके गुड, ठीक है ना। फिर हम और नहीं करेंगे, बट दिस वीक प्लीज कंप्लीट द होमवर्क।
यस सर।
ओके ठीक है ना।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके, यू वेलकम।